Hey everybody, this is Eat with Hank, and today in this video we'll be making Pillsbury Grand Stuffed Pizza or Pizza Bomb. Let's get started. We have here a can of Pillsbury Grand Southern Homestyle. This is how you open the can. So start here and you just pull. And then you see an area that says press here with a spoon, or you can use your finger. There you go. We're gonna open it up and take it out. Okay, next what we're gonna do is we're gonna separate these. Spread these out a little bit. Okay, last one. Spread it out. Okay, we're gonna add some garlic powder. Some oregano. Some pizza sauce. Okay. Then we're going to take some of the pizza sauce and just put it onto the, just a little bit. Then you want to add some pizza cheese. Okay. Next, you want to add some pepperoni. And that's it. You just fold it up into like a dumpling. Twist it and then just seal it up. Set. So the next thing what we're gonna do is take some garlic powder, half a tablespoon, and put it into 3 tablespoons of butter and stir it all together. Now we have everything all set. We're gonna preheat the air fryer. We're gonna set the air fryer at 300 degrees. And let it preheat first, and we'll be back. Okay, the air fryer's been preheated, and we're just gonna quickly take some garlic butter and put it onto the pizza bombs. There we go. Alright, the air fryer's been preheated, and we're gonna set the air fry 10 minutes, and we're gonna put them in. And put them in. Okay, we have it all in there, and we're gonna put it in. We're gonna go for 300 degrees at 10 minutes. Okay, it's ready. Let's take them out. Look at that, looking great. I can smell the pizza too. The next thing we'll do is take the leftover garlic butter, just dab it onto the pizza bombs, just one more time. Just use up the last bits of little butter. There you go, used it all up. And this is what we have today, Pillsbury Grand's Pizza Bombs. Okay, let's open one up and see what it looks like. There we go. Smells smells delicious. Hope you enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.